Good evening, Glasgow families. I'm Lisa Barrow, and I'm so excited to officially welcome you to the 2025-2026 school year and back to school night. What a fantastic first week we had at Glasgow. It was so energizing to see our hallways filled with students, reconnecting with old friends, making new ones, and getting to know their teachers. We're already building our Panther Pride, and I can tell it's going to be a great year. As many of you know, I joined the Glasgow family in January 2025, and I'm thrilled to be back for my first full year. This is a special community, and I'm committed to continuing the great work that's already happening here. This year, we're focusing on helping every student to be respectful, responsible, and ready to learn. We believe that by building these habits, our students can achieve anything, both in the classroom and beyond. Our school is fortunate to be a Title I school, which means we have additional resources and an amazing staff to support every student's success. I want to assure you that our teachers and staff are working hard every day to help all of our students make progress academically and meet our school goals. Your child's daily attendance at school is critical to our collective success. We're proud to be an AVID model school and a World IB school. What does that mean for your student? Well, being an AVID school means we're committed to preparing our students for college and career readiness. AVID means advancement via individual determination. We're expanding our approach this year to leveraging AVID strategies across all sixth grade, using research-based strategies to help students develop critical thinking skills like organization, note-taking, and critical thinking. We're providing tools for our sixth graders in particular, like binders and agendas, to support and empower their success in the classroom. Students should bring those needed supplies to school every day, including their Chromebook. As a World IB school, our interbaccalaureate school, we're part of a global community dedicated to providing a high-quality international education. Our philosophy is to develop our students who are not only knowledgeable, but also caring, balanced, and open-minded. The IB framework encourages students to think critically and connect their learning to the real world, helping them become well-rounded global citizens. We want to keep you up to date on all things Glasgow, so please join our Parent-Teacher Association, get involved, sign up for our weekly News You Choose messages to receive important updates and information directly into your inbox. You can also follow us on Instagram for a peek inside our classrooms and start to see some of the amazing things that are happening here at Glasgow. All for our students who are ready to explore those interests and activities, our after-school program begins Wednesday, September 10th. Students can participate in a wide range of activities and take late buses home Monday through Thursday. More information is coming in the News You Choose. Please remember that if you ever have a question or need support, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or any member of our administrative team. We're your partners in your child's education. I hope you have a great night, and I look forward to seeing you around in our halls and throughout the year. Take care.